Hey Norm, just need help connecting one of for a new client here. It's a form out of one of our ClickFunnels pages into their Pipedrive. So I'll show you what it is. It's the Ingenious Property Free Financial Plan funnel. And on this, it's a pretty simple form. There are four fields. So there's name, email, phone number, city, and then there's a drop down here with time of day to call. So actually, I just need to add in above there just best time to contact or time of day for call. So that form submissions on here need to go into Pipedrive. I'll give you the logins. So what I've done is I've created two different pipelines. Oh, this is the original pipeline, so I've created a separate one so we can separate to see where the leads are coming in from. And on this one, there's just 3 steps. So there's lead applications, so they should just go straight into here. Contact made and appointments booked. I started a Zap with that. So I've already started the Zap. So if you go in to our Zap here, count, where is she? Here it is here. So, no, not that one. This one here. So Ingenious Property Landing Page form. So if you can connect that into Pipedrive, that'd be good. Thank you.